You open your phone for 5 minutes, and suddenly, an hour's gone. You promise yourself, this is the last time. But it never is. I was stuck in that same cycle. Every night I'd say I'd stop, every morning I'd fail again. Until I decided enough. I gave myself 21 days to rewire my brain. 1. The real trap. Lust isn't just about desire. It's a dopamine trap. Every time you give in, your brain learns distraction equals pleasure. You're not weak, you're just being programmed. And the only way out is to reprogram your brain yourself. 2. My 21-day reset. I started simple. Step 1. Cut the triggers. I deleted all easy dopamine apps and blocked every shortcut to relapse. Step 2. Replace the reward. Every time the urge hit, I did 10 push-ups, took a cold shower, or wrote in my journal. Step 3. Reprogram the mind. Mornings, meditation and affirmations. Nights, gratitude journaling. Within a week, I didn't feel controlled anymore. I started choosing what I focused on. 3. 21 days later. By day 21, something changed. I didn't crave the quick hits anymore. I craved focus, progress, clarity. My mind wasn't fighting me. It was working with me. And that's when I realized, you don't beat lust, you outgrow it. So, if you're a student stuck in the same loop, this is your sign. Don't wait for the perfect day. Start your 21 days today. Rewire your brain. Rebuild your life.